Hello, my name is Monique Mates, and I'm leading the Community Resilience ARPA pillar. I'm going to show you today how to fill out the scoring matrix for the ARPA proposals that each particular pillar will be evaluating. So a couple of things that I want to share first. The first thing I will say is that there are 3 ways to submit your scoring matrix. First, you can email the completed PDF to arpa2021@pueblo.us, or you can print your scorecard, complete it by hand, and scan it back to arpa2021.us. Or you can take a picture of your screen or printout and email that to arpa2021@pueblo.us. All scorecards must be submitted via email to arpa2021@pueblo.us. So now that we're clear that all of those have to come in via email, let's take a look at how we would access that from our SharePoint. So you will go to the SharePoint site that you all have access to. I keep mine bookmarked for ease of access. You will come to the Documents menu item. You will go to the Resources folder, and it is under Task Force Information. Here you will see Pueblo ARPA Scoring Matrix template. You will use this template for each proposal that you will evaluate. So it's the exact same sheet for every proposal. I'm going to open this template. I'm going to download. Sometimes it'll automatically open up in Adobe like mine just has, which is my preference. Other times it will land in your downloads folder. So you will have to click in the downloads folder and then open with Adobe. Once you're here, there are a couple of options, and this is in the free version of Adobe. You will want to click on either this pen icon, or if the menu to the side is open, fill and sign. Once you click on this icon, a series of options will appear at the top. We'll start with the cursor. Pillar name, Community Resilience. Project name, Demo Project 1. Evaluator name, that's you. And evaluator signature. We'll worry about that after. Next, you'll want to click on either the X or the check mark to do your scoring. So you will evaluate each of these columns, providing an indicator on whether you give a 0, 2, or 4 point score for that column. For example, and this is an example, I'm going to click through these pretty quickly. I've evaluated my demo 1 project. I'm ready to score my sheet. I think likely meets the Treasury guidelines, is pretty complex based on this criteria, will cost $1 million, will benefit the majority of the community, really does support the equity goals of the community resilience pillar. Tricky, let's say there's not a lot of evidence for how this project would be supported over multi-years, so I'm going to click there. This census tract eligibility column is still in question. I think that'll end up being done in-house, just because there will either be a census tract that is associated with the program or not, and that will be pretty well vetted. So not everyone will have to take a guess at that. I think that will be done in-house, but for now, for the ease of this example, let's just say it likely meets the track. And then there is some evidence for matching funds. So you can see I very easily was able to indicate my score using the check mark. You can use the check mark at the top or the X. Both will achieve the same outcome, which is indicating your score for each particular column. Then I'm going to go to the sign function and include my signature there. And at this point, I am ready to save or take a picture. If I'm going to email back my completed score sheet right from my computer, I can click File, Save As, and then I will say Scoresheet Demo Project 1. Save. And then I will take that attachment and send it over to ARPA 2021@pueblo.us. Or I can use my cell phone, take a picture of the score sheet, and email the picture to ARPA 2021@pueblo.us. You'll notice here on the screen, we have a deadline. This deadline will roll from month to month. It is important to honor the deadline simply because it will take a lot to compile all of the scores. And so we're trying to give as much time as possible while still being able to compile everything for that end of month meeting with the mayor's office. So these are the ways to kind of complete the score sheet. And again, you would attach the completed sheet here. You would scan in your printed sheet, or you would email your photo that you took on your phone, whatever is most convenient for you. That is the short demonstration on how to complete the score sheet. And if you have any questions whatsoever, please don't hesitate to contact us at ARPA2021@pueblo.us. And again, you will access this template from SharePoint. Thanks and have a great day.